Vikings. Let's get you flying.
So pretty outside.
Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth, without all the chafing from their stern. That's not a good thing to forget. Hang on! They're coming! All of the masters, or is it just me? Chief! Watch out! Chief! Nice, a barnacle nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. Stretch your legs, smell the boiling sulfur, take in the shrapnel. It's all refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when we get that. Oh, not good. Take cover! Your flying was very impressive, and I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Yeah.